Hey friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add or find template in your video by using CapCut. Let's get into the video. At first, open your CapCut app. Now, you can see there is an option called template. Click on the option and here you will get many templates. You can simply click any of them and click on the use template button for using it. You can see a preview or select it. Simply select it, select a video, and now preview. See, it's added. Now you can export your video from the export option. You can export it without watermark, save and share to Instagram, and export it to your memory card. I'm exporting it to my memory. It's exporting, guys. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.